Hi there, I'm Chantel from RapidStudio, and today I'll be showing you how to upload your artwork for production if you've designed it outside the RapidStudio editor in something like InDesign or Canva. I'm going to go through things to begin with pretty fast for those who are familiar with these kind of processes, and we'll get it quickly and you can just stop watching me and move on. But if you're new to this and you'd like me to go a little slower, keep watching and I'll repeat all the steps again a little slower and show you some of the reasons why we have to do things the way and the order we do them in. The place where you're going to import your PDF files is you click on Photobooks and Albums, and it's the Calculator Import button on the product you're making. So this is hardcover photo books and this is Ultimate Albums. So this is the place where you're going to find both the file setup to make sure your pages are set up correctly and to import the artwork when it's ready. I'm making a hardcover photo book today, so here we go. Let's click there. The key to importing your artwork simply and perfectly is making sure your page setup is correct in the beginning, and the page is different from the cover. I'm not going to go into too much detail of that now, but this is where you're going to find the correct page setup for you. You're going to choose your album size here, and then you're going to scroll down quite far until you get to this section that shows the photo book calculator, and it's going to give you first the page size. We clicked on A4, remember? And then scroll further down, it's going to give you the cover sizes. The pages and the covers are totally different setups, so I suggest you create those files separately, and you're going to be most interested in this section here, that is the final height including bleed. So you want to add the bleed that we need, and here your page setup is going to be affected by your page numbers and the spine size. So just pay attention to this. This is very important to get the page set up right before you start creating. But that's not what this video is about. It's about once you've created, how do you get the files in? So we've clicked on the hardcover photo book calculator. We've chosen our size. You can also choose your paper type here, although you can change that in the editor. And then you're going to click the Import My Artwork button. That launches the RapidStudio editor with the right placeholders to import your art. Now I'm going to go get my files. Okay, so here I found my files on my computer, and I'm first going to pull in my cover. Because it's just one page, I can simply just drag and drop my cover. Give it a second. And there it is. Now, what I want to look for is I want to make sure the lines of my artwork have gone past the gray bleed area. So the red is like the absolute minimum bleed you can give it, but if you've set up your pages correctly, it will go about 4 millimeters past that. So that's what my artwork is doing. And now I'm going to use this play or preview button just to check that everything's lining up nicely. This opaque line here is going to be the fold line where we wrap the rest of your picture around the back of your book to finish it off nicely. And I just want to check that the spine is situated nicely, so I can see that my spine is right in the middle there, and that's going to look okay. Now for pages, you're going to go to page 1 and you're going to delete the placeholder. If you want to know why, stick around, I'll tell you later, but for now just trust me. I'm going to go back and get my artwork. Here are my pages for this photo book, and I'm going to click and drop them onto the place, and it's busy thinking it's uploading them all. It selects them all. See the little green around them? That means it's selected. If I clicked on it, it would deselect, but I want all of these, so it automatically selects all, and I'm going to click import and give it a second, and you're going to watch it all come in. Great, so now what I'm going to be looking for is I'm going to be checking that my artwork is beyond the red line into that gray area, filling it up. And see, my page was created with the proportions that RapidStudio gave me, so it's sitting in there perfectly. And I want to make sure everything's inside the safe area. All my text is inside the safe area. See that it is. So that's great. This one bleeds to the edge. It's all bleeding around nicely. This one has a white border and everything's in the safe area nicely. I can click on the artwork to see how everything's sitting on the page, and I'm going to do this for every page before I'm ready to order. So I am ready, I'm done. You have imported everything. You can just click the order button. If you did want to change anything like your paper, to lay flat. Also, if you want to change your cover from a printed hardcover to one of the leather covers, you can do so here. You've got mural style, you've got monoblock. You just need to bring your artwork in again, and the cover artwork won't work the way you've designed it. So in this instance, I would just redo my cover with using my base artwork. I'd do something like that, and I'd just make the cover inside the RapidStudio editor, and you can zoom in to make sure everything is sitting the way you want it to sit. And as soon as you're ready to order, just click the blue button and follow the prompts.